Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting episode of Living Colors. Guys, recently I had ordered few packets of platinum for my Floweron fish, but apparently it turned out to be a fake one. In our today's video, we will be seeing the unbox and how to identify original or a fake one. So let's not waste our time, we'll go to our today's video.
If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our interesting video.
Guys, recently I had ordered 5 packets of platinum from a Chennai based seller. I had specifically requested him to send original, even he has assured to ship the original fish food. So let's unbox this and see what we have got. Guys, as I was scared, I think this food packet are fake. The packing itself looks so fake. So let's detailedly go through this product and then confirm if it is original or fake. Guys, one of the usual method to identify if the platinum is original or not is to see the bottom part of the packet. If it is transparent, it is believed to be original. In my case, it is transparent and I can see the pellet. But I've noticed one more thing, guys. The pellets are in different size. Usually in the original, the pellets will be in similar size. So this is the one point that we have to notice. Another method to identify if the platinum OK is original or not is by looking the packing itself. If we go to the Technic Pets website, this is a company that is the sole distributor of platinum. You can see the picture of platinum OK and then compare it with what we have got. So you can see the major concern which I have noticed was the guarantee logo, which is on the left side corner. In my food packet, it is in greenish color, while as per the company's website, it is in golden color. This is a point that we have to note. And also the font, which is the red font which is used, as per the company website, it is a bright red color, while as the packet which I have got is in a pinkish color. So guys, from the packing itself, we can notice that this looks more of a fake and a copy product. And even if you see the behind the details which is given, there's also the letters are a bit blur and they are not printed properly. So from all this, I think it is a copy fake product. Guys, apart from all this packing issues and the pellet size, one of the major concern is the pellets have a very bad odor. It's not like the other platinum which I have fed. This has a very bad odor. I think there is some chemical added to this, and there is also added colors in this pellet. So I think it's risky to feed my fish. But I just wanted to try whether my fish is feeding on this pellet before returning this product. So I'll be dropping few pellets for my Floweron. So I have dropped few pellets, but my fish is not showing any interest. Usually whenever I go to feed him, he goes crazy and will quickly finish up all the pellets. But now he is not showing any interest on the pellets. We will leave him alone for 1 hour and come back and see what is the status is.
1 hour later.
Guys, even after 1 hour, he has not touched the pellet. Guys, this is his usual feeding time, but I don't know, he doesn't want to eat pellets. So I'll be just trying to feed him mealworms just to see if he doesn't want to take feed, or is he just avoiding the pellet itself. So guys, as you can see, he is feeding on mealworms, but he is not touching any pellets. Past 1 year I have been feeding him pellets, so he actually takes pellet feed, but I don't know, this pellet is not even touching them. Guys, it's not about the brand, it's about the quality of the food. There are a lot of fake pet foods available in our market, so always buy a good quality pet food, otherwise it will be like risking your pet's life. So with this, we are ending our today's video. If you liked our video, please do like, share and comment, and see you soon with another interesting video.